Determine a non-perfect square. A non-perfect square. Now see here. Always has a digital sum. A non-perfect square always has a digital sum. 2, 3, 5, 6 and 8. A perfect square will always have digital sum. 1, 4, 7 or 9. Remaining will make it into non-perfect square. A perfect square always has a digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. A non-perfect square always has a digital sum 2, 3, 5, 6 or 8. For example, if the question is 23, 2 plus 3, 5, non-perfect square. If the question is 96, 9 plus 6, 15, it is a non-perfect square. Suppose if it is 125, 125, digital sum is 8, it is a non-perfect square. It is a non-perfect square. Completely, there is one video which is available, how to find the approximate value. 40 minutes I have spent time on this concept, approximate value of non-perfect nth power. With the proof I have given, it is available in Anil Nair classes channel or in RYP channel. You can refer the complete proof also, the concept which I am going to use. Square root of 23, square root of 96 and square root of 125. Approximate value of a non-perfect nth power. How I did it? It is a very simple logic. If it is root 23, please go back and check this video. Whenever you are going through this video, please pause it here, go back and check it in ANC channel or in RYP channel, learn the concept and come back. Root 23, it is greater than root 16. So answer will be 4 plus 23, 16, it is 9. Double this value, 9 by 8. Double this value, 16 and 23 and 16, difference is 7. Difference is 7. So answer is closer to 4, 7 by 8. Answer is closer to 4, 7 by 8. Why that doubling of this value got? I gave a proof. In case if it is not clear, just don't hesitate to WhatsApp me to ask the doubts from the concepts that we discussed. I hope the idea it is clear. How to find the square root of a perfect square we discussed. How to find the square root of a non-perfect square. Already we did it. These 91.